Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research, so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best laser distance measure to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Leica Disto Laser Distance Measure. The Leica Disto is rated as being easy and effortless to use for both indoor and outdoor distance measurements. The Leica Disto features the digital point finder display and 360-degree tilt sensors. This means that you get to take measurements that are impossible when using the conventional distance meters. The product seems to be ready to tackle the future challenges since it comes with Bluetooth Smart 4 capability and additional attractive apps. Considered as the best laser measuring tool for architects, the Leica Disto model is able to take measurements with the highest level accuracy of 1 mm. To help with outdoor measurements, this Leica laser measure displays crosshairs on screen to easily target the laser point. Features: small, simple, powerful. Intelligent end piece for corners and rough openings. Extra functions for different types of measurements. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Bosch Blaze Laser Distance Measure. This compact laser distance measure from Bosch travels in a pocket or bag to gather measurements at distances of up to 165 feet. The device automatically takes measurements as the user moves it around, accurately measuring while providing information for length, area, and volume. It has an easy-to-use control keypad and a bold color display with large backlit text that can be read in dim or lightless conditions. Its Bluetooth connectivity allows this laser distance measurer to wirelessly share information to a phone, while the free Bosch app gives users the ability to document measurements and create floor plans. This device also has a soft, slip-resistant grip on the body to help protect it from drops and impact damage. Features: extreme accuracy and measures distances. Color display. Real-time measurement. Coming up next. In third place we have the Atala Laser Distance Meter. Portability is an important consideration for those moving around a busy work site. The Atala device is compact enough to fit comfortably in a pocket, toolbox, or bag. Its adjustable wrist strap can be set to the ideal size to ensure that it doesn't slip off the wrist. The Atala water-resistant laser distance measure can accurately measure, and to a maximum distance of 196 feet. It features several measurement modes, including single measurement, continuous measurement, area, distance, volume, and Pythagorean mode. The backlit LCD screen is easy to see, and the built-in level helps properly align the laser with the targeted point in the distance. Features: various measuring modes. Precise measurement. Power saving. Now moving to the number 4. Lumbo Laser Tape Measure. Most laser measures have a range that extends just beyond 100 feet, but sometimes that just isn't enough. This Lumbo laser measure is designed to help take accurate measurements over a longer range without sacrificing the accuracy of short-range measurements. It boasts an impressive range to 393 feet, yet the accuracy of the laser measure. The laser measure has an waterproof rating that indicates it's dustproof, and it can resist damage from light to moderate rain. Though heavy rain may cause an issue, it has multiple measurement modes and can store up to 20 previous measurements in the internal storage for quick reference, though it only stores data if the Save button is pressed to help prevent filling the storage with continuous measurement data. Features: laser distance meter. Multiple measurement modes. Durable and handy. In the 5th position we have the Skil Laser Measurer. Hate frequent battery replacements? Then the Skil 100 feet laser measurement tool with distance measuring and digital leveling is your best laser measure choice. It comes with an integrated rechargeable battery and a micro USB port, so you don't need to purchase extra batteries regularly. But that's not all. This Skil laser measure is one of the most affordable models on the list. Plus, it offers 2 tools in one: laser measure and digital level, all at a low price. Designed for indoor construction projects, this laser measuring tool can measure up to 100 feet within accuracy in real time. Its leveling function, meanwhile, consists of real-time arrow guidance and sounds an audible tone when the laser is at a various degree angle. Equipped with a smart indirect measuring system, this Skil laser measure can calculate distances even with objects obstructing its beam. It also comes with a memory feature to record measurements. Features: 3 ways to measure. Easy-to-use leveler. Convenient charging. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best laser distance measure. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.